Let's replace the wheel brakes on this 2019 Honda CRV. The wheel brakes are equipped with an electronic parking brake, and you will need to put in a service mode using this scan tool right there. I highly suggest you buy this scan tool. It's very good to you to do a job like this, and it's a dealer level scan tool, by the way. So I have a clip of me put showing you how to put it in service mode. It's going pretty fast because it takes a little bit to do it, but you guys get the point. Once you put the vehicle in service mode, now you'll be free to compress the caliper. Do not attempt to compress the caliper without put it in service mode. I'm gonna use my little pry bar here to compress the caliper. Good. Now we're going to remove the caliper bolt. It is a 12 millimeter. Good. Now let's put the caliper on the side. Caliper is fully compressed. Let's inspect our slider pin and take out the old brake pad. Now let's tap the rotor so we can remove the rotor retaining screw. It is a Phillips head. Good. Now let's remove our caliper bracket bolt. It is a 17 millimeter. I'm using my 3/8 ratchet here in the zip socket so I can break the bolt free. Good. Perfect. Let's switch gears. Now we're going to clean our hub. Doesn't have to be perfect, as long as it's even and rust free, you should be fine. Now we're ready to put our new rotor on. Make sure you wash those rotors with soap and water or brake cleaner. Just like that. I'm using brake cleaner to take the rust protection film out of it. And put the new rotor in place. Now we're going to remove the old hardware of the caliper bracket. Make sure you have new ones. If you don't, you're gonna have to reuse those. All you gotta do is just clean them real good, and they'll be fine. Make sure you save them if you don't have any, or maybe buy new ones. But sometimes it doesn't come when you buy the pads. They want you to buy them separate. Good. And pay good attention to the installation of the hardware to the caliper bracket. Now we're going to grease our slider pin. Good. Let's put our caliper bracket back on. Now let's grease our brake pad. Pay good attention to the installation of the brake pad. That's good. And let's put our caliper back on. Good. Everything line up. And that will be it, guys. Once you're done, you're gonna have to go back to the vehicle, use the skin tool to take the vehicle out of service mode and pretty much calibrating the wheel parking brakes, and that should be it. Don't forget to pump your brakes before test drive. Make sure everything is tight and clean. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.